Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow everyone to see your birthday on Telegram using the latest updated settings. If you've recently added your birthday but noticed it's not visible to others, don't worry. Telegram gives you full control over who can see it, and changing this setting only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to update your birthday visibility. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open up the sidebar where you can access your account details and settings. Next, tap on My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where your name, bio, and other details are displayed. Now look at the top of your screen and tap on the Edit icon. This allows you to make changes to your profile information. After that, find the option that says Settings next to choose who can see your birthday and tap on it. This is where Telegram lets you control your privacy preferences for your birthday. You'll now see different options for visibility. To allow everyone to see your birthday, simply select Everybody. This means anyone on Telegram, whether they're in your contacts or not, will be able to view your birthday on your profile. Once selected, your changes are saved automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. And that's it. Your birthday is now visible to everyone on Telegram. If you ever want to change it back for more privacy, you can follow the same steps and choose a more restricted option like My Contacts or Nobody. Thanks for watching.